Good afternoon. My name is Ablav Katyar. I am a student of class 11th of KVIVRI Izzatnagar, Bareilly. Currently, my team is working on a project named AI Driving Skill Development Platform, which involves combining technology, data, and pedagogy to deliver adaptive, personalized learning. The purpose and scope of this project are as follows: identify the target users, which may be students, a professional, or corporate learners. Defining goals, which is upskilling, career transition, employee training, or lifelong learning. Map out key features that contains personalized learning paths, progress tracking, AI mentoring, etc. The second is the design and the core architecture. The first comes in main system layers, user interference UI, web and mobile interference for learners, instructors and admins. AI engine, the brain that handles personalization, recommendation and analytics, assignments, management system LMS, hosts and delivers content, quizzes and assignments. Data layer stores user data, learning history and skill taxonomy. Integration layer, connect APIs for job data, third-party courses and certificate tools. The third step is to build the AI components. We will use skill assessment models, use NLP for analyzing written responses or communication skills, apply machine learning algorithms to score performance and detect strength, weakness, recommended systems, use collaborative filtering or neural networks to suggest courses and learning paths, adapt based on learner behavior and completion rates. Implement reinforcement learning to adjust content difficulty dynamically, personalization, pace, quiz difficulty and feedback in real time. And the last objective is the predictive analytics. Analyze job market trends and predict in-demand skills using public data set. Example given, LinkedIn, Indeed. Fourth step is to develop the learning ecosystem. Curate content from MOOCs, YouTube or internal courses. Enable AI generated micro learning content, summaries, quizzes, flashcards and gamification badges, leaderboards to post engagement. The fifth step is to implement mentorship and feedback. Integrate AI chatbots or voice assistants for instant learning help. Enable human AI hybrid mentorship where experts validate AI feedback. The sixth step is to ensure data privacy and ethics. Follow GDPR and data security standards. Use transparent AI models to reduce in recommendations. Implement blockchain-based certification for secure credential verification. The seventh step is to add analytics and reporting. Provide dashboard for learners, progress tracking and organization ROI skill gaps. Use visual analytics to highlight learning trends and completion rates. The eighth step is to deploy and scale. Start with a minimum viable product MVP to test personalization and learning flow. Use cloud infrastructure, AWS, Azure or Google Cloud for scalability. Continuously update AI models with new data for smarter recommendations. The ninth step is the example of tech stack we use. For the front end layer we use React, Next.js and Flutter. For the back end layer we use Python, which contains Django or Fast API on Node.js. For database, we use PostgreSQL or MongoDB. For AI or machine learning algorithms, we use TensorFlow, PyTorch, OpenAI APIs. For NLP, we use Spekai, Hugging Face, OpenAI GPT models. For cloud, we will use AWS, S3, Lambda, SageMaker, GCP AI platforms. And for blockchain, which is optional in this, we will use Ethereum, Hyperledger for certification. And the last step is the continuous improvement. Gather user feedback and fine-tune AI models. Regularly update learning content and integrate new technologies like GenAI, tutors, introduce new models for soft skills, leadership and future tech skills. That is for the projects. Thank you.